Come on, guys, sing that happy birthday wala song. Though it's not a happy birthday, but that's the only song you guys know, huh? All right, take the first bite. That's for you. All right, that's for me. That's so sweet of you. So that's a farewell of our future officer. We wish him all the very best. And he's doing a great job. Do we have someone who wants to say something about Karan? As we have spent almost a month together.
I think everyone should.
Huh? So who would like to start? Come on.
तो फर्स्ट टाइम जब हमारा वो जीडी हुआ था, उनका फर्स्ट डे था, तो ये बहुत मतलब आगे इनिशिएटिव लेके बहुत बोल रहे थे, बट मेरे को बहुत टाइम हो गया था, मैं उतना नहीं बोल रहा था जितना ये करण बोल रहा था. तो आई वाज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय हिज परफॉर्मेंस एंड ही इज वेरी, आई थिंक ही हैज अ लीडरशिप क्वालिटी एज वेल एंड ही इज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. व्हाट ही से ही मेंट इट.
Okay. Anyone else wants to say something? Yeah.
मैंने और करण भैया ने एक साथ कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन किया था, बट मेरा उस टाइम किसी के साथ इतना कनेक्शन था नहीं. बट भैया का इतना फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर, उन्होंने इनिशिएट किया हमारी कन्वर्सेशन, और उनका नेचर मतलब लीडरशिप बिहेवियर के साथ साथ बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनली आई थिंक वो बहुत ज्यादा कनेक्ट करते हैं पीपल. सो भैया वेरी बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
All right. Anyone else wants to say something about him?
And he has a leadership quality. It shows in his personality only that he can be a great leader in future.
All right. So that says it all. And I would also like to say something about Karan. You know, there are some people who are very sincere and dedicated towards what they want to achieve in life. And Karan is one of them. Has been very sincere and dedicated and really impressed everyone. And I see a future leader in him. So I wish him all the very best for that. So Karan, you also spent almost a month here. And we would like to hear it from you that how was your journey? What did you learn? And were we able to meet your expectation or anything that you want to say?
I think the very first interaction with the academy was in through YouTube. So at that time, what I was expecting from a good coaching institute was a good interaction, good connection between a teacher and the students, which is quite visible in the video, as you guys can see it in the channel Excellent Academy. That's the channel name of the video. So my experience was so far, I think it gives you wings to prove yourself, to achieve whatever goals you have thought in your mind. And yeah, it develops your personality. That's the biggest and the thing which makes you unique, which makes the coaching institute unique. So do join this coaching institute, and thank you so much.
Oh wow, thank you so much. And see guys, one thing that that you really need to mind, that is it's not only Red Bull now, Excellent Academy also gives you wings. So let's party! Woo!